Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are taking a ride through what we like to call a biker's paradise that is nothing but a Charmadi Ghat. In this video, we are going to cover some epic bike riding through winding roads and show you the beauty of Charmadi Ghat. Trust me, this place is an absolute gem for anyone who loves riding with its winding roads, breathtaking views, and the thrill of the open road. And this place should be on every biker's bucket list. While continuing our ride, we spotted on breathtaking waterfall, as you can see on the right side. So we decided to stop here to take some snapshots and videos. Trust me guys, as a short person, getting off from this bike always feels like a challenge to me. Guys, look at this stunning waterfall. This waterfall is absolutely beautiful. The sound of the water crashing down, the mist in the air, it's so refreshing. You know, we couldn't stop capturing it both in photos and videos to share this beautiful moment with you all. After soaking in the beauty of that waterfall and capturing some epic shots, it's time to get back on the road. Guys, there's still a lot more to explore and I'm excited to see what Charmadi Ghat has in store for us next. Guys, look at this. We just found another waterfall on the way. And you know what amazing is that there are plenty more like this along the way. Each one is unique and it feels like nature is constantly surprising you with its beauty. This is why Charmadi Ghat is must visit for biker and nature lovers here. You will get to see hills on one side and then forest on other side. The curves come in hot and you have got to stay focused. But guys, trust me, it's really fun actually. As you can see in the right front of us, there's a temple called Annappa Swami Temple, which is located right in the middle of Charmadi Ghat. This temple is known for offering blessings to those passing through the Ghat. Many people stop here to offer prayers for a safe journey, especially when navigating these winding roads. One of the best part about a ride like this is the unexpected. You never know what you're going to find around the next bend, whether it's another waterfall, a stunning viewpoint, or just the thrill of these short curves. Every moment is an adventurous. As we continue the ride, it just keeps getting better. The road twists and turns and the scenery changes with every kilometer. From the dense forest to open mountain views, Charmadi Ghat never disappoints us. As we kept riding, the fog started rolling in and combined with the drizzle. It made for a wonderful experience. The whole place felt magical, like we were riding through the clouds. Riding in this condition is really something else. The drizzle was light enough to keep things refreshing, but the fog really added a whole new layer to the adventure. You know what, guys? We have been waiting for this moment. The stunning, iconic waterfall that everyone raves about along the Charmady Ghat route. It's been a highlight on our list since we started planning this ride, and now we are finally here. Just look at that. You can hear the rush of the water from a distance, and as we get closer, the sight is absolutely breathtaking. This is what adventure is all about, chasing these incredible natural wonders. Wow! After witnessing so many breathtaking waterfalls on this ride, I can honestly say this ride has been nothing short of magical, each one more beautiful than the last, making this journey truly unforgettable. Honestly, we are so lucky to be experiencing this right now, with the lush greenery, clear roads, and the fog slowly fading. It's an unforgettable ride. Let's get going and see what other surprises await us down the road. Sitting behind on this bike, I can truly appreciate the stunning beauty of the Western Ghats, the lush greenery whizzing by, the cold breeze on my face, and the exhilarating twists and turns of the road make every moment feel like an adventure. Guys, whether you are a seasoned biker or just starting out, Charmody Ghat provides a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, making it a true biker's paradise. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your gear, hit the road, and let the charm of this ghat sweep you away. Guys, we are just a few kilometers away from the end of our incredible ride through Charmady Ghat. And as a pilgrim, I have to say, this has been an unforgettable journey. It's hard to believe that this adventure is almost over, from stunning waterfall to the peaceful roads. As we wrap up, I want to remind you cherish every ride and every adventure. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more adventures, and let me know in the comments about your own experience on this amazing road. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring. Thank you. Bye bye.